Although it is rare to find an electric scooter that folds easily, Glion Dolly Foldable Commuter electric scooter is an exception and can be folded easily and quickly in about 1 second. Although it comes with a pretty steep price tag, the company proudly boasts that it allows you to travel 100 miles on $1 of electricity. If this is your alternative to taking a car or a bus to work, you might be able to cover the cost of the scooter in about 1 year. You can check our best adult electric scooter to compare this with other similar electric scooters. Glion Dolly Scooter per Hour Miles. Glion Dolly electric scooter can travel up to 15 miles per hour, and its lithium-ion power battery is extremely quiet. This scooter can travel up to 15 miles on a single charge and takes just 3.5 hours to charge up fully. If you live in a big city, this can be a perfect way to get to work. If you live farther than 15 miles away from where you work, you can also find easy and cheap parking in your car, and then make up the difference with this scooter. Of course, with this two-wheel electric scooter, you'll never really need to look for parking again. You can either lock it up and walk, or simply just take it to your office with you. I thought it also might be worth mentioning that these large wheels really make a difference when it comes to riding over small bumps in the road. I will not recommend hopping off curbs in this thing, but you just might be able to get away with it if it's an emergency. Braking capacity and other features of this Glion electric scooter. Although this Glion scooter is fast, it comes with a great braking capacity. It also comes with a few additional features that just make it a lot of fun to ride. The headlight is a nice touch and makes it easier to ride in dimly lit places like small tunnels or at night. This scooter will not only make your commute easier, but more fun as well. Let's be honest with ourselves. We could all use some childlike fun in our life, especially when it comes to heading to work, a time that can be quite stress-inducing to a lot of us. This scooter has plenty of great features and will absolutely revolutionize the way you get to work. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.